miraculous cures, so try to be happy. Your attention and thoughts attracts diseases, so try to put your focus on other things. Try to continue your hobbies at that time, you will see the change. Try to sing, draw, dance. The secret to the world: always work with the positive energy and you will become more energetic to help the world. Be filled with love. The secret to you: your mind is filled with ideas, but it is waiting for you to open them up. Remember that you are the only one who can create the life you want, so focus on your goals, you will sure get success. Do you love reading such types of books? We are here to help you. We used to make summary book videos like these, so please subscribe us and press the notification bell due to which you will be notified of our next uploaded book.